Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nkem, and if this is your first time here on this channel, hello, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and turn on your post notification so you get notified each time there's a new video on my channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my twist. This is a jumbo twist and it's a bob twist as well. I'm going to show you guys how I make my twist and also a easy way you can grip the root of your twist without stress. Okay, so please keep on watching. So right now I just took a section of our hair, and there is the braid extension I'm using is in color 1 and this is cut 4. Okay, I cut the braid extension into 4 and I placed it at the middle of our hair, and then grab our hair together, use a wool to tie our hair together just to secure the braid extension there. And after tying it, I'm going to start doing my twist. Okay, you guys see that the roots are neat, like there's no struggle here trying to grip the root of the hair. Okay, the tying process has done that already, and this will make our hair not to cut at all, because again, this is not an elastic band method where if you do not oil your elastic band, probability of your hair cutting is high. After tying it, I'm just going to roll both sides and then just start turning. I'm going to roll and turn, roll and turn. So that is just it, guys. I'm going to twist till I get to where I want to tie it, and then take a section, like a little bit of the braid extension, and just tie it at the tip there. So guys, this is what I have. The braids are neat, the root is neat, and yeah, I'm going to repeat the process again, just show you guys what I'm doing and just so everybody grab what I'm doing. So I'm going to section our hair into 2, and then I will grab my braid extension and then place it at the middle of our hair, and then take both sides of the hair and use my wool to tie it. And then after tying it, I will then twist it down. So guys, this is just it. I'm going to let you guys watch this process, and of course I'm going to repeat this process again and again and again, okay, so that you guys will see what I'm doing. Please guys, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and help share this video with your friends.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. You Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me you so alive. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me you so alive. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So yeah guys, this is what we have. You guys, these twists are so neat, the hair is neat and it is really beautiful. You guys can see how cute they look on her. This is really good and it is so quick. Like, this does not take time at all and it is bold, so it's not supposed to take time because it's bold and it's short. So this is a really quick hairstyle you want to try out. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment and share this video with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.